as you can see, I've done it in 16 minutes, 6 seconds and 47 milliseconds. And as you can see, let's have a review. So actually, let's see how if I have done all the kicks correctly. Okay, here's the drift. Here's the drift, as you can see. The white face is done. The yellow face is done. The red face is done. The orange face is done. The blue face is also done. And that means if all the 5 sides are done, then the last side, that is green, will also be done. Okay, next one. Windmill. As you can see, there is white salt, yellow salt, green salt, red salt, blue salt, and orange salt. That means I've also done it correctly. Next on the IBQ, green is a salt, blue is salt, yellow is salt, white is also salt, orange is also salt, and red is also salt. Next, the 5 by 5. The blue is also salt, the green is also salt, the orange is also salt, the red is also salt, the white is also salt, and the yellow is also salt. Blue, yellow, white, red, orange, and green. This, and this. Next, blue, green, red, orange, white, and yellow.
Name of the cube.
This is a 5 by 5. And here's the white, the yellow, the green, the blue, the red, and the orange. Onto the pyramids now. Pyramids. This is the red face, this is the green face, this is the blue face, this is the yellow face. Next, the national fix. The yellow face is also done. The blue face is also done. The red face is also done. And the green face is also done. Skew. Blue is also done. Green is also done. White is also done. Yellow is also done. Orange is also done. And red is also done. Yellow. This is a 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. And white, yellow, red, orange, green, and blue. And now finally 3 by 3. There's the orange, green, white, blue, yellow, red, and orange, and green. Hello everyone, I'm Krishnarghya Pramanik here from MTPS Colony of Damodar Valley Corporation in Bankura, West Bengal. I'm now a student of class 2 in St. Xavier's School, Durgapur. So the package, now I have got a new package of the exclusive world records, and I must thank Exclusive World Records for giving me this package. The unique packaging is just very amazing. I like it very much. And there is all written clearly about my address. No one will have doubts, and it's all very, and there's also a logo in the top which looks very nice, and this wooden quality is also very nice. And I was always eagerly waiting to see what's inside this box, and I was waiting for this moment to come. I'm very thrilling now, and I'm just eagerly waiting to open this package and see what's all inside. So let's open. Wow, this is a very great certificate. So as you can see, the certificate is very good. This is all the shiny, all the waxy coating, all of them are very great. I like this certificate, and I like the title that Exclusive World Records has given. Fastest and youngest to solve 10 different WC official Rubik's Cube puzzles, and I like the title, and this is very shiny. I like it. See the certificate, and there's also a logo at the top, which also looks very, very nice. This is really great, the certificate. I really like it. Wow, this is a very nice trophy. Like this is the this is the amazing part of this. These two top things are very great. And there's also a photograph of mine, and there's a monogram at the top of Exclusive World Records, or I can say the logo at the top, and it's very nice. The gold which is here is just shining. It's just shining like the sun. It's just very nice. And Exclusive World Records, there's the logo. I must thank for presenting me such a very good trophy. This is the trophy. This trophy I like very much. This is just amazing. I've never thought that this trophy. This is very, very amazing. Okay. Next comes the badge. The badge is very nice. The flower petaling thing I very like. The badge looks great, and there's also a logo at the center. As you can see, there's also a logo at the center, which also looks very nice, of Exclusive World Records. Okay. This, as you can see, this sun-like medal is exactly the same as this medal. This is just a sticker representation, but here comes the real fact, the medal. Wow, the medal is just great. Unlike medals which are circle, ordinary medals and even special medals are very circular, but this is very great. This looks very great. It's just like the sun. The Sharpie ends I like very much. This is like the sun. It looks like I'm holding the sun, and the gold thing I like very much. It's just like when light falls on it, it is very, very shining. I like this medal very much. See the medal. And there's also the ribbon, which is very nice. See the color variation is very nice. I like the colors blue and white, like a pattern or something. And there's the stance of the logo of Exclusive World Records, and I like this very much. The ribbon. So, because of these all representations by Exclusive World Records, which is achieved by me, Exclusive World Records has represented to me such nice, amazing package. This is just an amazing package, and I am very grateful to Exclusive World Records. I must thank Exclusive World Records from my inner heart for giving me such representations that I've never dreamt. I never thought that the package will be very nice, and the package quality is very, very amazing. It's just unique, and the medal I like the most, and the certificate. All the things I like very much. The packaging also, and all of the things, and all the written things. Thanks for watching.